So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about Flutter GetX. I have used GetX in my latest project and I have started learning in these few months and I found it really very important and very useful. If you can see in Flutter PubGet, you will find that this is the Flutter GetX package which has got so many likes. It is actually famous in between the developers because of its features, and nowadays I have also attended couple of interviews where the interviewer used to ask me about GetX. So that's why I thought of creating this playlist. Some of the features I will also discuss in this video. Features like we can use Flutter GetX for state management, for utils like for showing toast, for showing bottom sheet, which we will see in upcoming videos that I will add in this playlist. This is actually introduction video. Here I am going to make you understand that we will be creating project from scratch, and also in the beginning of the videos that I will add one by one. In the beginning part of those videos I will start telling you about how to implement GetX, how to use its utils or utility thing like using toast or using a snack bar, using bottom sheet. Let's suppose if we are not using GetX and if we want to show toast message, then for showing toast message we need to install Flutter Toast package for that, for showing toast. But if we are using Flutter GetX basically in our project, then we do not have to use these things by adding extra package. Also, it handles screen navigation. Let's suppose normally we used to do that for screen navigation we used to do like navigator dot pop of context or navigator dot material page root. These extra code we need to write for screen navigation, but when it comes to getx only, we need to type like get dot to or get dot add and that page name. Later we will discuss in upcoming videos. So this is actually introduction video. I just wanted to connect with you that I'm going to start playlist of getx where I'll be creating a playlist of getx where I will upload videos on how to use Flutter package, also how to use Flutter as state management. Basically, we will see how to manage API calls with the help of GetX. Also, we will see controllers. These are the things which we will be using in Flutter GetX. So stay tuned with us. We'll see you in the next part where we will be learning about GetX by creating new project from scratch. And I will also put all the things on GitHub. You can check that. So that's it in this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends if they are willing to learn GetX. So that's it for now. Bye, take care.